You can expect a lot from the 2008 Porsche 911. This two-door, four-passenger convertible has just over 15,000 miles. Porsche made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Porsche infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a headlight cleaning system, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Porsche also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.